This is a photo taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. Now, this is the same galaxy cluster photographed by the James Webb Space Telescope, which is the most advanced telescope in history. It uses the infrared spectrum to capture light from objects more clearly, through more obstacles, and from larger distances. The most distant object from Earth in this photo is this galaxy, which is located roughly 13.1 billion light-years away from us. That's inconceivably far away. So far away that it brought scientists a new perspective on how galaxies formed at the start of the universe, shortly after the Big Bang. The James Webb Telescope is bringing scientists information about the building blocks of the universe and potential sources of life. The James Webb Telescope has discovered carbon dioxide on an exoplanet named WASP-39b. Scientists don't believe that the planet contains human life, but using Webb to detect carbon dioxide helps to lay the foundation for future discoveries. But let's get real. The fact that you are watching this video right now is a miracle, whether that may be astrophysical, geological, or otherwise. The solar system is located in just the perfect spot in the Milky Way not to be fried completely. The Earth lies perfectly in the Sun's habitable zone. Jupiter is located at a perfect spot, such that meteoroids don't hit Earth as often. Billions of years of evolution led to humans rising from unicellular organisms, with an atmosphere present, which would allow organisms to survive. All of this means that life, and more specifically, life intelligent enough to communicate with other planets, is infinitely rare, at least when it comes to our close galactic neighborhood. The closest star to Earth is Proxima Centauri, at a distance of 4.24 light-years away. To put this in perspective, the Sun is 8 light-minutes away. Voyager 1, which is the farthest man-made object from Earth, is only 20 light-hours away from us. This means that it would take 70,000 years for Voyager 1 to reach the closest star to us in the entire universe. This is the Milky Way galaxy. This dot right here is the furthest any radio signal from Earth has ever went. Keep in mind that radio signals travel at the speed of light. When you look at the stars at night, you only see this small amount of stars. There are 100 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy, and more than 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, but all we've ever managed to contact with our radio frequencies is this much. Let's say, hypothetically, that intelligent alien life is present on the other side of the Milky Way galaxy. It would take 100,000 years for our signals to ever get to them, and 100,000 years for them to send signals back. Not to mention the time it would take to send humans there, which would be longer than the total time that humans have ever been on Earth. So, realistically, aliens are a hypothetical possibility considering the unimaginable and perhaps infinite size of the universe, but contacting them alone would take longer than mankind has ever existed for. In fact, even the observable universe, which is an unimaginable 93 billion light-years wide, is a small sliver compared to the total size of the actual universe. Some objects are accelerating away from Earth faster than the speed of light, meaning we will never see them or ever communicate with them. Earth is nothing but a blue dot, floating hopelessly across space.